What are the best Microsoft Word keyboard shortcuts? Imagine being able to work faster and more smoothly on your documents without constantly reaching for your mouse. That's what mastering keyboard shortcuts can do for you. Today, we're going to explore some of the most useful shortcuts in Microsoft Word, part of the Microsoft Office suite, that can make your office tasks easier and quicker. Whether you are creating reports, editing emails, or formatting documents, these shortcuts will help you save time and stay focused. Let's start with the basics. To create a new document instantly, press Ctrl plus the letter N if you want to open an existing file. Ctrl plus the letter O is your go-to. Saving your work often is smart, so Ctrl plus the letter S will save your current document. When you finish working, Ctrl plus W closes the document window. Mistakes happen, so Ctrl plus Z undoes your last action, and Ctrl plus Y redoes it if needed. To move content around, Ctrl plus X cuts, Ctrl plus C copies, and Ctrl plus V pastes. If you want to select everything in your document, Ctrl plus A is the shortcut to remember. When it comes to formatting text, Ctrl plus B makes selected text bold, Ctrl plus I italicizes, and Ctrl plus U underlines. For more precise underlining, Ctrl plus Shift plus W underlines only the words, not the spaces. To change the look of your text, Ctrl plus Shift plus K applies small capital letters. If you want to reset paragraph formatting, Ctrl plus Q clears the formatting, and Ctrl plus Shift plus V pastes plain text without any formatting from other sources. Adjusting text alignment is simple with Ctrl plus E for center, Ctrl plus L for left, Ctrl plus R for right, and Ctrl plus J for justified text, which lines up both sides evenly. To change font size, Ctrl plus left bracket decreases size by 1 point, and Ctrl plus right bracket increases it. Navigation shortcuts help you move through your document quickly. Ctrl plus F opens the navigation pane to find specific words, and Ctrl plus H opens the replace box for quick edits. Ctrl plus Home jumps to the start, and Ctrl plus End takes you to the end of the document. To move up or down a paragraph, Ctrl plus up arrow or down arrow works well. Page up and page down scroll through pages without moving your cursor. Selecting text efficiently is key. Ctrl plus Shift plus right or left arrow selects the next or previous word. Ctrl plus Shift plus up or down arrow selects entire paragraphs. To reduce a selection, Shift plus F8 is handy, and Ctrl plus Shift plus F8 allows you to select a column, which is great for editing tables. Reviewing your work is easier with shortcuts like F7 for spelling and grammar checks, Shift plus F7 for synonyms, and Ctrl plus Shift plus E to turn track changes on or off. To add comments during collaboration, Alt plus Ctrl plus M is perfect. To see how long your document is, Ctrl plus Shift plus G opens the word count dialog. For advanced users, inserting fields like dates or page numbers is simple with Ctrl plus F9. To toggle the display of field codes, Shift plus F9 works, and Alt plus F9 shows or hides all field codes in your document. Jumping between fields is easy with F11 for the next field and Shift plus F11 for the previous. To convert a field into static text, Ctrl plus Shift plus F9 is your shortcut. Using these shortcuts regularly can help you format meeting agendas, reports, and emails faster. Navigating large documents becomes less frustrating, and editing becomes more precise. These tools are built into Microsoft Word as part of the Microsoft Office suite, making your work smoother and more efficient. Remember, the more you practice, the more natural these shortcuts will become, turning your workflow into a seamless process.